Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Sky Vision Drone. So lately I've been hearing a lot of questions asking, is it possible to disable your prompt notification when you connect your DJI controller to your Android device? So I'm gonna show you how to do it. First thing, you have to open up your phone setting. So go to the system setting and about phone and find the build number. So for different device, it might be a little bit different on how to do it, but the concepts are all the same. To activate the developer mode, you have to find this build number. There must be somewhere in your device. You have to search for it, build number. After you found it, you click 8 times or more until you get a notifications here. It says it will say something like, now you are a developer. So for my case, I have already activated, and if I hit it, it says you are already a developer. So what we are going to do next is just hit the back button. So as you can see here, you already have the developer options menu. Open up, and then you have to search for always prompt when connecting to USB. So by default, this thing is switch on. So you have to turn it off. Then you will never get any notifications again when you connect to the controller. So that's all from me for this tutorial. And about the charging, yeah, I know many people also got the same issue for Android users. When you connect your device to DJI controller, it will tend to charge your device. So there's nothing you can do about it unless you jailbreak or root your device, so you have a full access to the system. Then you can prevent the controller to charge your device. For Apple user, you don't have to worry because it will not charge your device. Thank you and have a great day. Do like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorial video and more footage that is super beautiful. See ya in my next video.